My name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So excited to have all of you here today. So, I just dropped Ava off at day camp, and I'm trying to nonchalantly record an intro video for my what I eat today. Ooh, music! I am clearly not the most high-functioning person at this point. I've had about a half a cup of coffee. But anyways, like I said, I was trying... Oh my goodness gracious. I was just trying to say good morning. I'm going to film a what I eat in a day in a life. I don't know what I'm up to. I'm on my way to work. I'm just going to get off here before it gets too crazy. I don't have any major plans other than work and picking Ava up from camp. So anyways, guys, I'm going to figure out what is going on with my Bluetooth because clearly my radio doesn't know how to follow instructions. And I'll check in with you guys at breakfast. Bye. Okay, friends, breakfast time. Here I am having one of the chocolate glazed donut quest bars for 5 points. And check it out, they have sprinkles. This is all I usually eat for breakfast. It has enough protein in it to keep me filled until my mid-morning snack and even sometimes lunch. And here's the snack I just mentioned. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to have one of the Trader Joe's part skim mozzarella light string cheese sticks for 2 points. And then I'm having 2 of the naturally slow smoked turkey sausage sticks by Great Value for 3 points. So it's a 5-point snack. And my trick with a snack of this size is to cut it into small bite-sized pieces. So while I'm working, I can just kind of sit there and pick up one piece at a time and eat it, which takes a little bit longer than just shoving the whole thing in my mouth, which I would do. So here's my lunch. I totally wish I would have taken the lid off my salad and shown you a picture. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I'm just getting back into the swing of stuff. So anyways, I got a salad from the hospital cafeteria today. This is the Brussels and berry salad. It is very good. I had to break it down to calculate points. Basically, it says berries. There were no berries on it. There were apples. There was a little bit of chopped pecans, which were 1 point. It had a little bit of crumbled feta cheese on there for 1 point. And then this salad dressing was 3 points. So technically it was a 5-point lunch, but I got 2 points back because I figured I had 2 cups worth of lettuce in there. And then of course the fruit cup I had at the end was 0 points. So like I said, 5-point lunch, I'll take it. All right, just gonna have a quick afternoon snack. I'm eating 1 packet of the Great Value Ginger Sesame Chunk Light Tuna for 2 points. Hey guys, it's me. I am done with my work day. I am going to drink my sugar-free Coke on the way home and just relax. My drive now, since I started my new job, is like 10 minutes, whereas I was driving about 30 minutes each way for my last job. So how spoiled am I? And then I figured out what was going on with my music this morning when I was trying to say good morning. I think it was my Bluetooth fading in and out because I live out in the boonies. So every time the Bluetooth would reconnect because I came out of a dead zone, it would just start playing my music again. So yeah, there's that. I'm in the parking lot at work, so I had to make sure nobody was looking. I haven't really told a lot of people about my YouTube channel here yet, so it'll be interesting to see what they say. But anyways, I have 19 points left after all the stuff that I've eaten. So I've got some options for dinner. I'm gonna go home and see what Steve's making, see if I can fit that into my points. And then for dessert, I want to do a sugar-free chocolate pudding with sugar-free Ready Whip on it. And then I can have 4 Oreo Thins for, I want to say like 5 points maybe. But then the pudding might be more, but 19 points, that gives me a lot of room to wiggle with. So wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I'm shaking my whole car. If people weren't looking before, they certainly are now. So I'm going to hop off the phone. Yeah, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay, so here is my dinner. I have a half a package of the Trader Joe's Reduced Guilt mac and cheese. It is 5 points for a half a package, or 10 for the entire thing. Then I have one turkey corn dog, again from Trader Joe's. It is 5 points for one corn dog. They are my favorite. Then I have one thing of applesauce, which I believe it's just a pre-filled thing, is 0 points. I'll double check that. If it's different, I'll post it on the screen. And I'm going to sprinkle just a teeny tiny bit of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch on top. Not even enough for a point. So this should be my 10-point dinner. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've just gotten out of the shower. I've got my hair drying. Have you ever seen these? It's like a scrunchie, but it's a towel material, so it kind of dries your hair instead of having to leave a great big huge towel on your head. I really like it. I think I got it from my BoxyCharm drop shop sale. I don't know though. Maybe it was Ipsy. Anywho, that's not why you guys are here. I'm just here to close out my video. I did end up eating 35 out of 35 points. I actually ate a little more. So remember how I told you I wanted to do the chocolate pudding with the Ready Whip and then the 4 cookies? Well, the point values have changed since I've had them last. So my snack pack, sugar-free chocolate pudding, is 3 points. Apparently my kids ate all of my Ready Whip, which is awesome. And then my cookies, my little 4, ooh, I broke one, little Oreo thin cookies, 4 of them, is 7 points. So in the future, I know that I will only have maybe 1 or 2 cookies. I don't know. Maybe none, because I totally don't need them, but I had the points today. So I ended up with 35 out of 35 even. Technically, it was, let me get my paper out, 38 points total that I ate. But I earned 2 points for my veggies that I had with my salad, and then I earned 1 point for drinking my 60 ounces of water. So broke even. And then I wanted to show you guys how I'm drinking my water right now. I'm sure you guys have seen them. They're all over like the entire internet. But these are the Circle water bottles. This is a metal one. They have plastic ones too. And what it is instead of having to put the flavor in your water every time, it has this little filter thing. See, there's my water. And this has the flavor in it. So you screw it on, and then there's where you drink, and it just filters the water through the flavor, so you get the flavor that way. And it's adjustable. I mean, you can do just plain water. I don't even know if you can see that. Probably not. So plain water, and then you crank it all the way up. You can crank it all the way up to a level 9, which is an insane amount. You know, I had to try it, and it tasted like, you know, like the old Jell-O. I mean, I don't know. I guess I haven't made Jell-O. I'm sure you still have to make it the same way, where you boil it and then you put the powder in it, and then it's like this really thick, viscous kind of liquid thingy. That's what it tastes like to me. I've never drank that before, but I'm assuming that's what it tastes like. It's very potent, and I don't know how they drink like that. That would be insane. I don't know who would or why. I don't know. Do you guys have Circles? Do you drink that much flavor in your water? I mean, it was yuck. So, anywho, that's how I got my 60 ounces of water. This is a 20-ounce bottle. I like the metal because I can put the ice in it and it keeps my water cold all day. I think I had to refill the ice one time, and I've had this since 8 o'clock this morning. So yeah, not a bad eating day, not a bad water day. I think that's really it. I'm getting ready to do a face mask. I just washed my face, and I have this Preble Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask that I'm gonna do. So pop this on for 20 minutes, well, I'll probably eat first because I don't want chocolate in my face mask. So yeah, I'm going to eat my dessert, and then I'm going to do my face mask for 20 minutes and read my book. So I hope you all had a wonderful day. If you have any questions or friendly, loving comments, not that I get bad comments because you guys are superstars, feel free to leave them down below. As always, if you haven't already, if you'd give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content, which encourages them to promote videos so we can grow our YouTube family. If you're not a member of my YouTube family and you think you can handle my chaos, feel free to click on that little picture of me down in the corner. That will subscribe you to my channel. It is free. It means a lot to me. And yeah, that's it. So cool. I kind of rhymed there, so blew your socks off, didn't I? All right, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I ate all my points. Tomorrow is round 2, and we got this. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.